Hey there, y'all. It's Melanie Ferguson here with Southern Crush at Home, where usually I am trying to inspire you to create and decorate a home that you love. Well, I do want to do that, but also I want to share with you this amazing new thing I've tried. So if you've been following me a hot minute, and by the way, if you don't already like and follow my page, go ahead and do that. Then you know that I love me some meal boxes, especially since we've had these crazy times. It's been hard to get out sometimes, hard to get to the store, hard to kind of know what to get and where we can get it, okay? And a lot of places are out of everything. So meal boxes have been my best friend. And the last time I was with you guys, I was showing you, let me put this up here. I was showing you a meal box I was trying. It was my first one ever. And that one was good. We definitely have enjoyed having that one. But this one is better. And I want to show you why. I'm going to show you, if you will come on in. If you are catching me live, welcome. If you are watching this on the replay, you can type #replay for me so I know you were here. Sprinkle this. I'm going to be giving away a special coupon for 3 lucky people who watch this video for boxes. So sprinkle this. We are going to go through my box. This is my second or third one that I've ever received, and I am telling you guys I love, and I'm going to show you why I love this. And it's called homechef. You may or may not have heard of it. If you've heard of it, comment below. If you already love homechef, yay, tell me what you love about it. So the first thing I want to do is kind of show you what how it comes packed, because that's really important to me. And guys, the link to try it out is at the top of the description, and I will put it in the comments below as well. But yeah, so we'll go through these menus because let's be honest, a picture's worth 1,000 words. But I'm going to show you how amazing the products are that come in the box, because that's pretty important to me and my family. I don't know about you. So they sent us, so one of the things on there is lettuce wraps, and they sent the entire head of lettuce. An entire head of lettuce. Y'all, it's still growing. It's still growing. So this is like fresh, which is super important to me. Every single one of these meals. So the other meal box, like I said, it was good, but this one's better. And what makes it better is they already have all the meals pre-packaged in little bags for you. The other one, you had to kind of take everything apart, find all the parts, match them up to the cards, and make sure you had all the ingredients in the right place. This one, the whole meal is already in the little bag. See? And so I want to show you up close kind of what comes in your bag. So you've got usually all your fresh produce down there. And then it looks like we've got some broccoli stalks, and it's the whole broccoli. You get all the things you need, y'all. And I'm going to tell you, oh my gosh, some little crispy onions so you're not left with the rest of the canister. Little bitty thing of cream cheese. Do you guys, this really helps us with waste, okay? So if I were to buy a block of cream cheese, but my recipe only called for this much, just a little bitty touch, I don't know if we would eat the cream cheese before it would go out of expiration date, y'all. And then look, this is like some fancy pants butter. It's already herbed, okay? So they have already taken all the work out of it, and it is butter that already has herbs on it. Guys, I love that. And then Italian seasoning blend. I don't have to go digging through my different seasonings and try to put something together. It's all there. A little thing of crushed red pepper. I don't even know what this meal is, but look, this is the broccolini, I think. I think it's broccolini. Do you guys know what broccolini is? So that is just one of the meals. It says it's the mahi and Tuscan herb sauce. So yum. And I'll show you the cards, but I just wanted you to see kind of like the quality of the produce and things that you get. And also all the little spices are in there, y'all. I don't know about you, but we're not very adventurous, okay? We're kind of we order the same thing and we make the same menu all the time. Like, you can pretty much guarantee Tuesday night it's gonna be taco night, okay? We might make taco soup, you know, trick it up a little, have taco soup, but it's gonna be tacos. Then, you know, we're pretty much gonna have spaghetti one night. I mean, we don't veer off the proven path very often. These help us do that. And it makes us feel like we are fancy, and maybe we're eating out and we're trying things that are new. And it's just a whole different way to look at everything. So you can get these in meals for just 2 people or 4 people, and it goes on from there. They even have bulk. So you've got, y'all, I don't know about you, but like this right here, chives. This is got the exact amount of chives that you need for this recipe. And the rest won't go to waste. Same here with the cheese. It's the perfect little amount of cheese, y'all. They even have it all the way down to bell pepper. There's a bell pepper in here. So, I mean, and then look, what I'm talking about with the spices, you've got a little thing of Dijon mustard. I don't have to buy the whole thing of mustard and be wasteful. And it's got like a little thing of like Asian hot sauce for part of the recipe. So sometimes you're kind of like, oh, you know, that tastes so good. And when you're out to eat, you're like, that tastes so good. And I can never make that at home. These actually make it where you feel like it tastes like you are at a restaurant, that you never have to leave your house. You don't have to wear your mask and you don't have to wait on a table. So I am in love. This is Home Chef. For those of you asking, it's Home Chef. And it is just, I tried the box that we've shared here before, and it was amazing. It's actually an amazing value for the price per meal. This one's a little more per meal, which you will see on the link below. But it's worth it, y'all. It's still cheaper than going out. And you don't have to go to the grocery store and grab all of those things that you're not going to use all of it at all. So I'm going to tell you that I know that, I don't know, I am guilty of buying a big thing of a certain spice and then not using it until it's already gone bad. Okay, so like this has a neat little, I don't even know what that is in it, but it's called, the whole thing is called sweet chili pork lettuce wrap with crispy noodles. Y'all, I bet that is for this head of lettuce. I bet that's what this is for. It's for the spicy pork wrap. So I want to tell you, I tried several of these, okay? And I didn't do a big review on all the different boxes or this one versus that one. I just tried them for myself, y'all, because this is real life. I just tried them for myself, and I tried, like, I think it's called Green Chef, and I tried Blue Apron, and I tried, I'm pretty sure I tried them all. I have landed on this one as the best for my family, okay? And so one of the things I like is every time I place an order, I get some of these that you make yourself from scratch, because sometimes you just feel like cooking. And for the nights that we don't feel like cooking, they have these amazing, they're called like fresh little bundles. They come with the oven pan already in them. And you just open all the packages, put it all together in here, put it in the oven, and it bakes for you. You don't have to do any chopping. Everything's already chopped for you. And I want to kind of show you what one of those looks like. Margarita Chicken. Yeah, this one sounds amazing. Margarita Chicken. I'm going to show you. Okay, so on here, see how everything's already chopped for you? This entire package of zucchini, which again, I wouldn't want to sometimes take the time to do all of that chopping. All of the little pesto for the Margarita chicken, just a little bit of whatever the heck that is. The cheese, and then look, all the roasted red peppers, they're all already chopped, guys. They're all already chopped. And then look, just the right amount of garlic salt. How convenient is that? I'm telling you, it doesn't get any easier than this. So once you get through all of your packages, because that's like Christmas, we kind of like, some girls wait for their boutique packages to come in the mail. I'm over here waiting on my meal boxes to come in the mail because I know that I won't have to cook from scratch, okay? And this is just another one. See how it's got the corn already there, and then all the triple peppers are already all cut for you. So these little cheater boxes are amazing, and you can get those in your order. You mix and match whatever you want, okay? That's the beauty of this one. All the meats are at the bottom, and so here's like a bunch of chicken, and it looks like some shrimp, and then this is fish, it looks like. So it's all got all these ice packs. It's totally frozen and cold. It comes just like all the boxes like that. The beauty of it also is, y'all, and I'll show you. Let me put these back in here real quick for you, or for me. Thanks for hanging out. Listen, if you missed it, this is for Home Chef. I am going to be picking from the people who actually sprinkle the video to give coupon codes to for you guys to try the Home Chef box. Okay, if you want to try the Home Chef box, show me some love, and that will happen for you. So now we're going to go through a couple of the cards so that you can see kind of what the meals look like that they offer, okay? Because this is the fun part. And I want to show you that on these cards, guys, let me just come over here. Where am I? Where am I? Okay, I'm right here. On these cards right here, they actually will show you alternatives. So that's my favorite thing, is you can literally sit here and place your order online and decide, you know what, we don't really like, maybe you don't really like pork, and you don't want there to be pork with your, what are these called? Sweet chili pork lettuce wrap. You can change some of the meat out. The protein, you can substitute. So maybe you want these to be chicken, okay? Ground chicken. Or maybe you want these to be beef. You can choose what you want to substitute it for, okay? And then on the back, it's just gonna have all of the actual instructions, like step by step, y'all. Because honestly, my husband puts these together. If you can get really lucky, you can get a husband or a teenager to put these together for you every night, because the instructions are that easy to follow. And that was another little caveat issue that I had with the other box, was the instructions were really complicated, and you wouldn't think that would be too complicated, but it was complicated, and it took 2 or 3 of us to figure it out. So this is pretty easy to follow, and I absolutely adore it. So this is Smoky Barbecue Chicken Rice Bowl. I have several of these this week because I ordered the ones for 2 people. We find that it is plenty for actually 3 of us. We sit there and go through this. Even though there are 2 breasts in this dish, we will probably, my daughter and I will probably ultimately split one of these breasts in half. And or a little trick that I like to do is take this once it's already baked and just shred it. If you just shred the chicken up and put it with the rice that it comes with, it's like a whole casserole, and it goes so much further than, say, just a chicken breast. So we make the meals for 2 stretch to meals for 3 because I don't know, we're just not always eating that much. So this one is the mahi mahi. It says, and Tuscan herb sauce. Do you say herb or herb. Herb or herb. I think the H is silent, but this is the one that we looked at that had the little fingerling potatoes and the broccolini, and it looks really yummy. And you could have substituted the mahi-mahi for shrimp or scallops. They have so many choices, y'all, and all of it's good. This one is the spicy Dijonnaise chicken. So it's got an amazing looking sauce on there, and that's got all the red peppers and the mixed veggies. So you can also on these, this is one of my other favorite things. I don't see it on here, but you can make these like special to your diet. So if you're on a carb friendly, or not carb friendly, I'm always on a carb friendly diet. Aren't we all like carb friendly? If you want it to be lower carbs, they have that option for you. So instead of like with potatoes or rice or something like that, they'll just put your protein with a veggie and you're done. I love that. You can also make your choices gluten-free. I love that. This one is shrimp, low country shrimp and chili lime rice bowl. Yum. You could have chosen the chicken to substitute with this, but I think we went with shrimp, just like it said. And then this last one is the shrimp, buffalo shrimp, what is it? Crispy buffalo shrimp salad. I love that because we eat a lot of salads when we can. I'm just going to turn it back around this way because it's easier to talk to you from over here. We try to get a salad in as the dinner a couple times a week just because it's a little lighter and it's better for you, honestly. So this is a good alternative, and I'm excited to try this one. I have not tried this one, but we really like crispy buffalo shrimp. When we go out, sometimes if that's offered as an appetizer, we will grab that. So that is all I wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to show you the box, show you what was in it. I know it's been a hot minute since I shared the box that I did last time. It's probably been almost a year. I think, yeah, it was right. It was right at the beginning of this year. So it's been almost a year since I shared something like this with you guys, but I wanted you to be able to share in the experience with me. And I just can't say enough. If you guys have questions, drop them in the comments below. I will try to come back and get to everybody's questions, but be sure to sprinkle the video if you want a chance to win a coupon code to try out the box. Guys, the link is also above southerncrushathome.com/homechef if you want to try it out for yourself. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.